name is Dominique Green. I'm the maker of Soap Up Soaps, and today I'm going to make solid shampoo bars. You only need 3 ingredients, 4 including the essential oils that you want to use. If you don't want to put any essential oils, then you just need cornstarch, SLSA. This is the cleaning part of the shampoo bar. And you need shea butter. For essential oils, I'm using lavender oil and lemon oil for this one. And I will also use some purple mica just to give it a little bit of color. The recipe is very simple. You only need you need 100 grams of cornstarch, 100 grams of the powder, so that's a 1-to-1 ratio. Put that to the side. And then we need 45 grams of the shea butter. So I have now all of the ingredients. I will melt the shea butter and then you combine it. The shea butter is melted now. I mix the essential oils in the butter and then mix the butter with the dry ingredients. For this amount, for this batch, you use 5 to 10 drops of the oil you want to use. Then you mix it. Don't put too much energy in at the start, because the SLSA powder is very dusty when you stir it, and you should not inhale that. At the start it seems pretty messy and you think this will never combine. But after the oil is a little bit mixed with the dry ingredients, you can then use your hands and it will combine all to a nice dough, almost like a little bit of yeast dough. And it will form to one ball and it won't be messy at all at the end. One very nice side effect I like a lot about making soap or cleaning products is that all of the dishes and pots and everything you use, or bowls like this one here now, especially if it's metal, everything after is so clean. Everything is shiny. The dishwasher could never make it as shiny. Okay, this here is now all mixed together. It's not crumbly at all. You can make a cool snowball. The dough holds together very, very nice. This is because of the shea butter that in the first place you put in because of conditioner for the hair. It makes your hair very, very shiny. I like homemade products anyway, but I really like them when they do a better job than the store-bought products. And in this case, to me, for my hair at least, this shampoo is amazing. Okay, put a little bit in. And then fold it on top so that you don't get your fingers purple right at the start. And then you just combine it in. It already changes color. Oh, it looks cool. Alright, this looks so cool that I take out the halves, the first part that I already put in without color. It looks amazing how the color mixes in here. So I take this out as much as I can, because it's still moist anyway. It doesn't make a difference at all. You don't see that later. Okay, that too. And I'm using this here as one color because it is two colors anyway. The mica, that's the benefit of the mica, compared to coloring liquid, so liquid color that you pour in and then you stir, is it's a benefit if you think positive. The result would never be the same. If I use the same amount in the same patch of the same product, it will not look like this ever again. So every time you use mica, the design you get will be unique. You can try it again, you can do the same again and use the same amount, but you will not get the marmor effect like as it is here. It will be different. I like that. If you're making a lot of the same products, like if you have 5 soaps that sell very good, or shampoo bars, and you want them to look identical every time, it is better to use liquid color instead of mica powder. Alright, I put that in here now. You don't have to spray silicone before ever, because, well, in this case anyway, because it has the shea butter. But it will not stick to the silicone. As soon as this is hard, no matter if it's the shampoo bar or if it's soap, it will not stick to the silicone, and taking it out is just as easy as putting it in. Especially when they are smaller, when the mold is smaller like this one here, just pop it out. And if you have really ever problems getting it out, put it in the freezer for 10 minutes and then it comes out for sure. Alright, I made this here as smooth as I could organize. That looks cool. Put it to the side. And now we're mixing the second part. I use a little bit more than on the first one. This here has more purple, and you see the difference. I like both. Put it in here. Press it down, so also on the bottom it goes in the corner. This is a little bit too much, I have to take some out. Alright, here you have them. It really only takes 10 minutes to mix those few ingredients together. You just need 4 ingredients if you want it scented, 3 ingredients if you don't want it scented. It is very easy to make. It makes a cool gift. And it is one more thing that you don't have to buy in the shop anymore, and you don't have to throw away another plastic container. Alright, I put it to the side now, somewhere where it's a little bit cooler and then not next to the heater because it holds a lot of oil. So it goes solid, and then we pop them out and see how they look. Hi! So I'm back now with my 2 shampoo bars and the little 2 extras that was left. I unmold them now. These are 2 silicone molds. That means they should theoretically really just pop out very easy, very good. This here was really just leftover, so this is probably 1 portion only. And I keep these little ones either as gifts or thank yous for eBay or other orders. and or for at home for testing, especially when I make a new recipe. So the little ones look cool. Now let's have a look at the big ones. Nice, really cool, huh? All right. My lamp here. The color looks really, really cool. It looks better. So the way I did it at the end with putting the mica in and mixing it, not completely, because then you get that marmor effect here. And the second one, this one has a little bit more color in it, mica. All right, well, on the edges, probably I should have pushed them more in. But otherwise, they look amazing. I really like them. I think they look really cool. One of them is 50 grams because I made... Oh no, one of them is 100 grams. Right, well, let's weigh them. Alright, this one is 113 grams, the other one is 110 grams. So you get 2 big bars of solid shampoo from 100 grams of the SLSA and 100 grams of cornstarch and 45 grams of shea butter. I'm very happy with the result, even the little ones. Of course, the smaller the mold is you put it in, if it has like fragile pattern, it doesn't really come out because it's too crumbly. It's not fine enough. But in the big ones, this one here looks especially good. This here is a bit broken, but it is handmade. I think that's just, that happens. Alright, if you like it, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know. If you want to see something different, let me know what it is. And I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.